All right, guys. So my name's Frank. I've been in real estate for the last 10 years, and I get this question a lot. How are you doing? How are you closing leads right now consistently? And I've done wholesaling, I've done fix and flips, I've had rentals, midterm rentals, Airbnb, and all of the above. But over these last 10, 11 years, there's nothing like learning the most important skill that you're going to need, any business needs, which is marketing. I put my head down. I learned how to run ads, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, ranking online, all of the above, right? A lot of things, and branding too. So, I'm going to teach you guys how to run your first ad to get your first $10,000 in real estate. Let's get straight into it. This is Frank from Lead Institution. Let's get right into it, guys. You're going to create a TikTok ad account. Um, TikTok Ads Manager account. You create the account, you're going to log in. This is one of the accounts that I have. So I've spent right now so far about 3,700, and let me see, it's brought me close to $60,000 on these from these campaigns. It's a great return, guys. That's a great return. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to create ad. Let's not lose time. And very important things here. You have traffic, you have video views, you have lead generation, website conversions, and product sales. You want to get leads. You want to generate leads. Ignore the views. You're not an influencer. Ignore the traffic. Ignore the website conversions. You're not selling products, product sales. Ignore all that stuff. Click lead generation. Unclick smart campaign because it's pretty much gonna tell you what it recommends and all of this stuff. I don't recommend that until later on when you're more advanced. You want to look at all the analytics, start getting used to it, seeing which ad works, how much are you spending per lead, per conversion, and all this good stuff. So here, let's always name the ad, campaign ad, because as you create more ads, you're going to start getting confused if you don't name these ads, and you're not going to know which one's which. ABC House. Let's go with ABC House. Special ad categories. Housing. You must choose housing, otherwise your ad is going to get rejected. A little bit of sparkling water. All right. ABC House. Instant form. Ignore the website. As we get more advanced, I'll teach you about website, landing pages, go high level, and all that good stuff. Instant forms it is. Instant forms it is. TikTok, leave all this open. First thing, important, what city are you focused on? I'm in Phoenix, the biggest city here. You can get very technical and run 5, 6 ads, different cities. But my city's Phoenix, the biggest one. We have Mesa, we have Tempe, we have Glendale, Scottsdale. If you want to focus just Scottsdale, you can hit Scottsdale. But I'm going to Phoenix. That's my brand. That's what I chose. I love Scottsdale, but my market is medium price homes. So it feeds me all the time. They keep coming in like clockwork. People trust me, and we close these deals. Me and my wife, she helps me out. She's TC. So Phoenix. Languages. You're gonna choose your language, of course, English. Ignore this stuff. Include, exclude. Ignore that stuff for right now. We can get more. As we get more advanced, you can include your audience. For example, people who have viewed your ads 100%. People who have viewed it 50 seconds, 6 seconds. This is the so-called retargeting. This is where we're going to retarget. This is where we get lower cost per conversion. But honestly, I like running ads. I like testing out new markets. I like testing out new numbers, seeing what's out there. How many leads can I squeeze? Because once you own that the emails, the phone numbers, you can hit them via SMS, email, and lots of other platforms, lots of other things that you can do. Device, leave device open. Do not touch this. Don't get too technical here. Leave it open. Budget. This is where you need to leave it at. I see a lot of people come in, they run their ads, and they say, okay, they get excited, and I understand. You start getting leads and you bump up the price. Let's say I want to spend $100 a day because I got my first lead. Do not go up. Do not move this. You're going to set this for 2 weeks. I'll teach you on the next step. You're going to set this for a set amount for the time that the ad is going to be running for. If you start messing with this, the system is always going to try to learn who's your avatar, who's your client. So it's like you always reset it if you move this. So leave it there. I've ran thousands of ads, spent thousands and thousands of dollars, and the sweet spot is between $15 to $25. You could possibly go to 30 if you want to test out new numbers, but anything above that, it's a little too expensive. And this is where the sweet spot's at. Schedule. You always want to schedule. You want to schedule this ad for the following day, 5 a.m., between 5 to 6 a.m. the following day. You don't want to run it right away. So we're going to set it for, let's do 5:30. You're going to leave it all night. It's going to be learning who you want to target. Tomorrow's Thursday. We'll do it there. Okay, sorry. Click the wrong one. Set start and end time. So that's where you're going to start it. So next day. Okay. You're going to run it for 2 weeks. 2 weeks from today is the 2nd of January. Happy early New Year. You're going to run it until the end of the day. Don't choose specific time. You're going to let this run all the day. Why? You want to collect data. You want to see when people visit you the most. And you'll start seeing this, but I rarely touch this. I know people get on TikTok all the time. They're at work. They're late at night. You want to capture leads. And if you're serious about your business, you're going to have ads running all the time. You're going to collect this data. You're going to put it up. You're going to connect your marketing platform like TikTok, Facebook to go high level, and all the leads are going to be pushed there. They're going to be automated. So we go to the next step. We leave this blank. I'm going to name the ad again. ABC House. Important here. This is important. You're going to turn on the TikTok account to deliver Spark ads. Why is this important? Because you're going to connect. Let's say if you want me to run your ad, your ads, you're going to give me a code from your account that I put in my TikTok account, ads manager account, and I'll run that ad for that video that you want me to run for. So you'll get that code. So to get the code, I could do a video later on. It's very easy. Just YouTube it. How to get a code for a specific video in my TikTok account. You'll click on the manage button on one of the settings on the video, under your video, and it's going to create a code. Create it for 120 days. If because either way, we're going to run these ads for 2 weeks to a month, depending, after seeing what ad works. So once you get that code, your account's going to come up here. And this is where a lot of people go back and forth. Carousel images, single video. I like single video. I want to see the person. I want to see what their energy is like. Do they really know? Do they really know what they're talking about, right? Carousel images, it could be a company running ads for a real estate agent, who knows where. So people work with people that they like. That's where the whole other, sector of creating a solid real estate brand comes in. You must have a brand. Here, you're gonna choose the video. Once you put the code, the videos that are on your account that you chose are gonna pop up. For example, if I want this one to run, or this one, let's do this one. it pretty much autofills with the information, the copyright that you wrote on the video. This is important, guys. You have to do a little bit of research and include the right description on your videos so the system recognizes what is your offer. What is your service? What are you trying to give the people? What are you trying to offer the people? What you say on the video too, the VSL. If you don't know what a VSL is, it's a video script letter. Pretty much how it's a funnel, pretty much how you structure it and what are you going to say on the video, pain points, et cetera, to get to the end point, which is call to action. You know, you're going to have the people either click, call, message you. And then interest is very important. You're going to check all of them. This is common sense. You want people that are interested, apply now, learn more, contact us. And let me check one more time. That's about it. Once you scroll down, this is another part. I'm going to teach you how to do an import form. I'll teach you on a different video, but pretty much I already have I don't want to make this video too long. I know, we want to get straight right into it. So my bad. Don't click on interactive add-ons. That's a whole different, that's for a different business. That's for more like e-commerce. So you're going to choose from library. Your input form is not that hard. You can YouTube it for now, but I'll have a video for you soon. Just make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment any information on this. So good form. So choose that one. I'm going to check mark this one, ignore this, and there's one more thing. On the form, I might have to do the form for you. So the form, it's going to ask for terms and conditions. It's very self-explanatory. I'll probably do a video for you, but whatever brokerage you're at, you're going to Google, for example, I'm in whatever brokerage you're at. I'm in my home group. You're going to terms and conditions. You're going to go to the website, your brokerage website. You're going to grab that website, that link. You're going to include it on the section where that forms is asking you to create. And once you're done with the input form, you're just going to press publish now, let the ad run for 2 weeks, collect data. You're going to start collecting leads. Be patient, guys. Keep in mind, the first month to 3 months, it's kind of the learning phase. You will get leads. You will close maybe 1 lead, 2 leads. It also comes down to you guys. Do you guys follow up? How's your sales pitch? How many times do you follow up? Do you have an automated system? Do you have a solid lender? But that's pretty easy, guys. If you've been doing real estate and have a solid lender, which I'm sure most of you guys have one, it should be easy. And if you have any questions, drop a comment, give me a like, subscribe, click subscribe. First video, let's crush it.